Brother Bilal from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
What is the etiquette for complaining to Allah?
First of all, complaining to Allah Azza wa Jal is a form of dua. It's a form of showing your submissiveness, expressing your poverty to Allah Azza wa Jal. It is not venting usually, because you know that Allah knows what's happening. So you don't say, oh ya Allah, you know, they did this to me, and imagine that when I called, they did not pick up my call, and I went all the way to them. And this is inappropriate to use such a form of venting, because Allah knows everything and He knows what they've done. Rather, you switch into complaining to Allah and not to others. Like Yaqub said, إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ. I don't complain and vent except to Allah. When they asked him, why do you look so fragile and weak, and what's wrong with you? He refrained from complaining to them that, oh, I've lost my son, this had happened. No. He said, I only complain to Allah Azza wa Jal. So this is what we do. We switch from venting and complaint like we do to humans who don't know what's happening to us, into dua, asking Allah, oh Allah, relieve us from whatever we're suffering from. Unveil the calamity and make us whole, make us strong, grant us patience and content, do this, do that. So this form of complaining is fine. The etiquette is that you're doing it not to complain. And what is this? What have I done? Why are you doing this to me? No, this would be totally inappropriate and not allowed. But you are complaining in the sense that you're seeking Allah's guidance. Look at what Prophet Ayub, or Prophet Yunus, that is, did when he was in the belly of the whale. What did he say? How did he complain? La ilaha illa anta subhanak inni kuntu min al-zalimin. He acknowledges, testifies that there is no God worthy of being worshipped except you. All glory be to you. And I confess that I was among the wrongdoers. This is the form of complaint you should have, praising Allah Azza wa Jal, offering salutation upon the Prophet and asking Allah for what you want.